this group. I don't remember another group. I don't remember going to Senate saying that we don't have money for development. What we, yeah?
And finally, on the final question, the issue of the deputy governor, the president has already signed it into law, and the Nairobi County
No comment.
because despite your numbers,
Don't comment on that.
No comment. There's no comment.
What are we rubber stamping?
You're rubber stamping the failure of having a governor. What do you say despite you having the numbers?
Okay, wait. But the work has been ongoing.
There's no vacuum.
How are we rubber stamping? The county is on. There's no vacuum. Okay.
Okay.
Can I answer you? Excuse me. On the issue. Okay. On the issue of the deputy governor. The governor is still consulting with both leadership. You understand? We do have the NASA side and the Jubilee side. And he has to pick a candidate that has been approved by both sides, or a candidate that will appeal to Nairobians and a candidate that will help him. The governor is not going to pick a candidate just to put so that Nairobians can see that there is a deputy governor. In terms of development, we've been doing development. We are working with the amount of money that we can get from the national government. We can't do wonders if we don't have money, so we plan. The little money we have is what we are trying to serve Nairobians, you understand? And the issue of the MPs and the senators, I would like to tell them, Nairobi does not belong to Governor Mike Sonko. Nairobi belongs to everyone. And if there's anywhere they've seen that he is failing, going to the media will not help. We don't see MPs coming here with projects. We only see them coming to beg for money. But they don't come with projects. They are quick to rush to the media and say Governor Sonko has done. But they're not quick to tell you how much governor is helping them. We need them to come on board. You understand? We need the governors, we need the senator, we need the MPs, we need you Nairobians to join us, to say, you know what, this is where we need to take Nairobi. Pointing fingers at each other won't help. So the MPs and the senators should stop acting like they're angels. If we fail, they also fail. So they're complaining, they're pointing a finger at themselves. They're the reason where we are. We just came up from a fight. 2 years down the line, we've been fighting. We've been trying to reach out to them. We've been trying to call those MPs individually to come and help us. We were almost shooting each other here, killing each other here. They were looking. Right now, they're out there trying to complain that we've been fighting and we've been trying to reach out to them. They should stop playing the angels. Pardon?
The previous leadership.
There was a problem before, but it's being rectified. We are 122 members, and every member has a place he or she represents. And it is up to the member to follow up with the committee and to lobby for a project that he or she feels that suits the people of his wards. You understand? But bottom line is we work with what we get. Thank you very much.
Members of the these people, they want to divert the attention of BBI.
Deputy governor sisi hatutaki.